This property is pretty much on the same street. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,349 square feet upstairs. And it was remodeled just recently. Taking a look at the pictures. Pretty straightforward rehab project. Garage, backyard, they painted the thing. New windows, air conditioning, stairs going up to the light, fireplace, LVP floors, 5-inch baseboards, 6-inch recess lights. Took the wall down. Kitchen. I mean, we could do whatever design that the client wants. Whatever finishes and fixtures and color schemes. If the client wants gray cabinets or blue cabinets or, quartz, we could do whatever the client wants. Just, we're going to have a discussion and do the design. So once we got the design figured out, then yeah, we could build whatever. It's a basic job here. Nothing too exciting. So they got the black theme, the gold theme, the brushed nickel, black hardware. You got the silver hardware. Just got to decide what you want. And they did LVP throughout the house, looks like. Shadow box. The attic, with the top area. Yeah, I guess it's not the attic, but it's the top area. Okay. Right. Yeah, this is like the house in Chevrolet. We did a house in Chevrolet, Maryland, same concept. Okay. Basement, they put the LVP. That's smart. Got a bathroom in the basement. Main shutter valve. They didn't drywall the ceilings. All right, Brickfront Properties. We're gonna build this lady's house that got on fire. I'm just doing my homework, getting ready for the meeting for tomorrow.